And now I will show you a little secret. Ta-da! It's Sleepy Ferret. She's having a nap under here. She is very tired from her hard day of working. Did you have a hard day at the office, Mabo? Yeah, you had a hard day at the office. You need to get a good night's sleep. After all your hard work. And you have a little sneeze. Right? Alright, well, if you want to get back to bed in your weird little position that you're sleeping in, I guess I can let you go back to sleep. You want to go back to bed? Okay, I understand. Maybe. Good night, Mabo. Good night. That's how she says good night, I guess.